In this webinar, I would like to talk about Amdahl's law, why it plays a much bigger role in today's embedded software development than it has in the past, and how a modern RTOS can help here. Why do we need to use multicore hardware today? Let's start with Moore's law. Most processors, therefore, reached a maximum of 4 GHz and only for a short time. So there is a systematic barrier here as well. The answer to all these three rules was multicore system. 2 CPUs at half the frequency were used instead of 1 CPU at twice the frequency. However, the multicore architecture also poses completely new challenges for the embedded software developer. How will the software applications communicate with each other in modern software-defined architectures? Because this RTOS must enable this super-fast communication and at the same time maintaining the deterministic behavior of the system. Such an application has a parallel portion of 100%. Such an application has a parallel portion of 0%. Most developers expect a timing that looks something like the ideal one shown here. Thread 1 and 2 each communicate independently with thread 3 and 4. The waiting thread cannot be put into a running state. Therefore, all other cores, even those that do not want to communicate, can run dry and thus also stop. Regarding Amdahl's law, the parallel portion of an application will be reduced and thus the speed up on this 4-core hardware. Let's come to the solution for this problem. In the age of heterogeneous multi-core and many-core hardware, however, only a multi-kernel RTOS can provide the required parallel performance with low latency and freedom from interference. With this, eMCOS multi-kernel RTOS can increase the parallel portion of the complete embedded application. Can you measure it? Yes, you can. Does this mean that software developers who previously developed on a standard microkernel RTOS need completely new knowledge in order to be able to use the eMCOS multi-kernel RTOS? No, because eMCOS interfaces are based on the API standards most frequently used in the RTOS world. POSIX and especially in the automotive world, AUTOSAR Scalability Class 1 and 3. By using eMCOS, you get the benefits of a pre-certified safety RTOS with a much higher parallel portion than a standard microkernel RTOS. Since eSOL has been selling its own single microkernel RTOS ET kernel for a long time, our support teams know both words, microkernel and multi-kernel, very well for years. They can help you which RTOS architecture is the best solution for your individual application. If you have any other questions or comments about this videocast, please contact us via web, email or phone. Thank you for your time and stay safe.